I know a lot of you are panicking because Grok's free video and image generator suddenly stopped working. But don't stress, I've got a solution. Right now, if you try to make a video in Grok's Imagine section, it instantly blocks you and asks for a $30 fee just to get credits. But here's the thing, that doesn't work for us. My goal is to show you how to make money online with free tools without spending a single dollar. Before I reveal this secret, quickly hit like and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss out on these free strategies. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, head over to Google Flow. This platform unlocks VO3 along with a ton of other AI tools, but today, we're strictly focusing on video. Go ahead and click New Project. Now, this is where things get interesting. Once you're inside, look for an option called Nano Banana Pro and click it. You'll instantly see a whole lineup of powerful models, like Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and even Imagine 4. If you jump over to the Video tab, you'll spot VO3 Fast and VO3 Quality. It's pretty crazy how many tools are packed into this one dashboard. Now, don't skip this step because it's important. Click on your profile to check your balance. I currently have 50 credits left, but they actually start you off with 150 completely free credits to generate whatever you want. But it gets even better. I'm going to show you a trick to claim 1,000 free credits every single time you sign up with a new email. That's enough to pump out over 100 videos without stopping. Here is exactly how you do it. Click the Upgrade button, which takes you to their pricing page. Ignore the other options and choose the middle one, the Pro plan. This unlocks the 1,000 credits. Just click Get Google AI Pro. A loading screen will pop up, followed by a form asking for your card info. Now don't panic here, they are not actually going to charge you. Just type in your details step by step and hit Save Card. I'll enter my own info off screen to keep it private. Once you hit Save and wait a second, the Subscribe button will appear. You might notice a warning saying you'll be charged next month. But here's the trick, as long as you cancel before that date, you pay $0. You're essentially getting a whole month of premium access for nothing. Go ahead and hit subscribe. After a quick load, you'll land on a confirmation page. 0 charges, completely free. Next, let's verify that the credits actually showed up. All you have to do is return to the main dashboard. Click your profile icon again to check your balance. Boom! 1,000 credits sitting right there, and we didn't spend a penny. They usually wipe out your original 50 credits when you upgrade, but with 1,000 new ones, it really doesn't matter. See how simple that was? You can literally rinse and repeat this method as much as you need. Just make sure to jump on this before they update their rules or shut down this free access. Finally, let me show you how to safely cancel so you never get billed. Pro tip, set an alarm on your phone for a couple of days before your trial ends so you don't forget. To cancel, just click your profile and select Manage Membership. This brings up your active plans and costs. Look up at the top right and click on Change Membership Plan. A new menu will drop down. Just hit Cancel Plan and you are completely safe. And that's the whole strategy. Go have fun with your free videos and you can thank me later. Catch you in the next video.